our wind turbine has the current model that we've commercialized has a 12 kilowatt nameplate rating. There are other manufacturers that make wind turbines of similar size, but they are all, none of them are portable. They're all permanently installed into one location. And so in the buying process for one of those other wind turbines, before these other manufacturers would sell you a wind turbine, they would mandate that you perform a protracted wind study in the location where you want to set up that wind turbine. Meaning they want you to measure the wind at the very site for at least a year, if not 18 to 24 months, to verify that you have adequate wind resources in that location to justify the purchase and installation of the wind turbine. And so assuming you go through the wind study process and you decide, okay, we have the wind resource, now you have to do the site improvements, you have to get the permits, you have to make the connections. And so you're looking at least a 2-year process between the time you say, hey, I'm interested in wind energy for this spot, to the time you're actually making it, assuming you can tick all those boxes along the way. Our system, on the other hand, well, I could go hook up to one of them in our shop right now. We could be, a few hours up the road, and then within minutes of arrival, well, again, we can arrive fully charged, so we can plug in the moment we get there, and then a few minutes later, we have the turbine up and we're making power. And that is the wind study. Now, something to clarify at this point, though, is that there's a common misconception that the portability features on our wind turbine come at a cost premium. But the reality is our unit cost compared to the competitor's installed cost, they're right on par with each other. But one, we avoid all of those initial wind studies and permits and so forth. No permit required. Portable generators don't require a permit. We build a portable generator. So that's a unique feature in itself. But also, the portability of our system is, is the novel feature that's most easy to recognize. I argue that the more important innovation here is in the performance and the efficiency of the wind turbine, especially in our low wind speed performance. So we've taken a unique approach to generating power from the wind, that we've got a number of proprietary systems that maximize the system's performance and make it by far the best in class in terms of efficiency and production. So now we've got a cost competitive product that you can get running right away. You don't need permits, and it's going to outperform the legacy models in this size range. Which ultimately yields a lower cost of delivered power and higher production with better energy density. So a lot of strong arguments to go with an Uprise mobile machine over what's currently available in the market.